Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. The theme पूरा festive है. I'm in all festive mood, dressed up in a festive attire because आज का video is something I'm so excited to do because it's all about my latest, most loved, most worn, most asked for jewelry pieces. मैंने काफ़ी नोटिस किया है that through my content, whether it's my long format videos या फिर Instagram reels हो, YouTube shorts हो, आप लोगों के पास बहुत क्वेश्चंस होते हैं रिगार्डिंग माई ज्वेलरी, बीट नेकलेसेस, ईयरिंग्स वगैरह. सो मैंने हैंड पिक किए हैं सम पीसेस जो मैंने बहुत बारी पहने हैं इन ऑल ऑफ माई रिसेंट कॉन्टेंट and some pieces that I have also purchased and I've really loved purchasing them. So it's a good mix of different brands and I have a disclaimer guys. अगर आप सोच रहे हो that this is going to be a very affordable jewelry haul or jewelry video, then this video is not for you. You can skip this one and probably watch something else on my channel because ये है some brands which I can vouch for when it comes to quality and since I've used it personally, I really know they are worth it and price range is not on the affordable lines for most of these pieces. So if you are someone who is interested to invest in good jewelry that will stay for a long time, then this will be a very helpful video for you. So बहुत बातें हो गई. Now let's get started with the jewelry pieces. Okay, I have two pieces from this brand called Illuminate Shine Every Day. तो पहला है this very statement, very huge looking चांद बाली. This is in a nice shade of gold. मतलब ये एकदम yellow gold भी नहीं है, so it can go on a lot of different color tone outfits. एंड ये मैंने बहुत यूज़ किया है. लाइक आई माइट नॉट रिमेंबर द रेफरेंसेस ईच टाइम व्हेन आई शो यू ज्वेलरी पीस, but I'll try and add the pictures of me wearing or videos of me wearing them as much as I can on the screen for you guys to see. So this brand is something I have purchased a couple of items in the past as well, and ये काफ़ी on a high price range होते हैं and I make a point to buy when they are on sale because काफ़ी अच्छे डिस्काउंट पे मिल जाते हैं and I really like the quality of these. ब्रांड का ही एक और ईयरिंग, दिस सिल्वर झुमका, इतना प्यारा है. लाइक आई हैव बीन ऑब्सेस्ड विद दिस ईयरिंग एवर सिंस आई हैव बॉट दिस. Like literally I end up picking this particular earring whenever I have to go for an oxidized earring lately. It's huge. It's not very lightweight, I would say. थोड़ा heavy है on the ears, frankly speaking. And yeah, so this one is a very stunning piece. And if you are looking for like really good quality, unique pieces, then I highly recommend you checking out Illuminate Shine Every Day. ओके, सिंस आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट ऑक्सीडाइज्ड इयरिंग्स, एक और पीस जो आपने मेरे कॉन्टेंट में बहुत बार देखा है आर दीज झुमकास. नाउ दीज आर फ्रॉम एन इंस्टा स्टोर कॉल्ड प्रियांशी PDR. इन्होंने मुझे काफ़ी टाइम पहले उनकी कुछ ज्वेलरी पीसेस भेजे थे वेरी काइंडली एंड दिस हैज़ बीन माई मोस्ट फेवरेट पीस फ्रॉम देम. ये किसी भी आउटफिट पे इतना प्यारा लगता है. यू कुड वेयर द मोस्ट सिंपल कुर्ता एंड जस्ट वेयर दीज झुमकास. दे लुक एब्सोल्युटली स्टनिंग. दे आर वेरी कंफर्टेबल ऑन द ईयर्स, हैवी नहीं है. दे लुक quite big and heavy but they're actually very comfortable to wear. And because इसमें ना ये green and red का combination है, I just love it even more because बहुत ही प्यारा लगता है. So many different outfits and it's hands down one of my favorite jhumkas ever, and they have such lovely pieces of jewelry, oxidized jewelry. So do check them out on Instagram. Okay, a very underrated brand in my opinion. It is a homegrown label. It's called Keura Jewelry. I have used their jewelry so many times in the past, and one of my latest favorite pieces from them are these earrings. Again, ये brand ने मुझे भेजा था and I have been so in love with this. उनकी quality is top notch. The designs are unique, so well crafted and बहुत ही अलग है ये ईयरिंग, लाइक इट्स नथिंग टू व्हाट आई हैव इन माय ज्वेलरी कलेक्शन. सो डिफरेंट, सो प्रिटी. लाइक इस आउटफिट पे भी बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. लाइक यू कैन वेयर इट ऑन योर इंडो वेस्टर्न आउटफिट्स, यू कैन वेयर इट ऑन योर इंडियन एथनिक वेयर लाइक लहंगा, sarees, cocktail looks. It's such a versatile piece and they are वेरी वेल प्राइस्ड. जो उनकी क्वालिटी है, जो उनके डिज़ाइंस है, बहुत वेराइटी ऑफ कलेक्शंस है. लाइक यू नो दे हैव अ लेटेस्ट कलेक्शन कॉल्ड गजरा इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, एंड that is something again I have my eye on because it's so pretty and so nicely done, and very nice brand. I've always been happy to work with them, and their designs are something that I can always vouch for. The quality is something I can always vouch for. So it's one of my most favorite jewelry brands for the best unique statement pieces. ओके, कमिंग टू अ ईयरिंग जिसके बारे में मुझे इतने कमेंट्स आते हैं एवरी टाइम आई वेयर देम. देयर आर सो मेनी ऑफ यू ऑल आस्किंग फॉर डिटेल्स ऑन दिस पीस ऑफ ईयरिंग. ये हैं दीज very long heart shaped danglers, and this is from a brand I found on Instagram. It's called Pretty Little Things. अलग अलग टाइप की ज्वेलरी है, and I got this like quite a while back. So you can obviously DM the brand asking for the details वगैरह. They don't have a website, but they are such a stunning piece. मेरे पास इन इसी ब्रांड से I have these earrings, I have even bracelets in the same design and a couple of other things from the same brand, and very good quality. They are so trendy, so stylish, so chic looking. They are quite heavy, okay. लाइट वेट ऐसे नहीं है. सो इफ़ यू आर अनकम्फर्टेबल वेयरिंग earrings like these, you will not like it, but I remember this being quite affordable. मुझे अच्छे से याद नहीं है अभी बिकॉज आई बॉट इट ऑन इंस्टाग्राम थ्रू DMs, बट काफ़ी अफोर्डेबल था एंड मुझे बहुत पसंद है. इट्स समथिंग जब मुझे नहीं पता कि कोई भी स्पेशली मेरे वेस्टर्न आउटफिट्स जो होते हैं, इफ़ आई डोंट नो व्हाट टू वेयर, आई वांट टू make a very simple outfit look very exciting and glamorous, and I would definitely go for these earrings. They have been my go-to. Even on this pink cord set जो मैंने दिखाया है, इस पर भी इतना अच्छा लग रहा है for a festive look as well. So I really love these earrings. एक और gold pair of earrings which I have been loving. मैंने recently इसे खरीदा था. It was quite pricey, but I just love the way it looks on me. It suits my face type बहुत अच्छे से. Now this is the earring that I'm talking about. ये मैंने गोवा के एक स्टोर से लिया है. It's called Como Collective. You can probably access them online as well through Instagram. I think they also have a website. I'm not really sure. बट गोवा के बाहर भी कहीं और उनका, आई थिंक मुंबई में कहीं पे तो उनका स्टोर है कोमो. सो यू कैन DM द ब्रांड एंड आस्क देम फॉर डिटेल्स इफ़ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड इन दिस ईयरिंग. वेरी स्टाइलिश, वेरी नाइस पार्टी वेयर, डिनर डेट काइंड ऑफ earring. I love them. मुझे ये बहुत ही अच्छा लगा डिज़ाइन. I know you guys are probably wondering कि मैंने कौन से earrings पहने हैं. Let's talk about them. Now this is from a brand called Beauty Art. उनका एक वेबसाइट भी है, but most of the jewelry is visible on their Instagram page. So if you are willing to buy anything from them, you can probably DM them and buy. So I have a couple of jewelry जो उन्होंने भेजा है for shoot purpose. But this earring is something I am so in love with. इसका जो कलर है, इसका डिज़ाइन is so beautiful and looks very nice on this. और ये झुमकास भी मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आए. They are so huge, so statement. I love the design. It's so different and nice. I don't have a झुमका like this. इस पर भी इतना प्यारा लग रहा था. लाइक आई वॉज रियली कन्फ्यूज कि मैं कौन सा वाला इस पर पहनूँ. बोथ वर लुकिंग सो गुड. लाइक यू कुड वेयर द मोस्ट सिंपल कुर्ता, सिंपल फेस्टिव आउटफिट एंड जस्ट वेयर दीज झुमकाज. नाउ ये जो मैंने पहना है, इट्स लाइक अ इंडो वेस्टर्न फिट, इट्स अ काफ्तान, but it's looking so good on this as well because I've been using this for the shoots as well. I know that the quality is really good. I've been trying them out for a while now And yeah, it's a very good brand if you're looking for, you know, wedding jewelry, you're looking for, you know, festive jewelry. Very nice brand to try out. Now coming to one of my most loved jewelry brands of all times, आपने मुझे बहुत बार इन्हें पहनते हुए देखा है. I have this stunning neck piece from Mortantra. So during the Mortantra annual sale, now if you don't know what Mortantra is, for those who have just started to follow me, it's a brand that makes exquisite kundan jewelry, or, you know, bridal jewelry, festive jewelry. You'll find a lot of polki kundan designs, jadao kundan designs, temple jewelry, lot of other things, and it's one of my most favorite brands. तो मेरे पास है ये green beads layered neck piece with, I think this is Kundan Jadao pendant. जब मैंने इसे पहना था, just on my stories when I was talking about their annual sale, so many of y'all have asked about this neck piece. So it's the best time to buy pieces from them during the annual sale because you get like 30% flat discount on their jewelry. मेरे पास बहुत सारे pieces हैं जो मैंने इस बार लिए हैं from them. Like I've gone a little overboard by picking a lot of stunning pieces from them. And a green layered necklace is a must have in your jewelry collection. ये जाता है on your Indian anarkalis, kurtas, lehengas, saris, your Indo-Western fits. Like it'll go on anything and everything. So this is one piece of the many pieces that I picked up from Mortantra that I really wanted you guys to see. So if it's still available on the website and you're willing to spend on a very good quality piece, then you should really check this one out. Okay. आते हैं to the last two pieces for today's video, and one of them is the most asked jewelry piece ever by you guys. So this is a brand called Kiss by Ashmit. मैंने इन्हें Instagram पे discover किया था. मैंने saw other creators you know, flaunt their jewelry. तो मेरे पास है एक choker from them. Sorry for the noise that you can hear because ये जो घुंघरू है उसमें से आवाज़ आएगी. So it's a coin and घुंघरू choker, very nice choker. मैंने इसे पहना था in one of my recent videos showing Zara sale outfits that I picked up, and उस पर मैंने ये पहना था on a very boho looking dress, and so many of you loved this neck piece. And it's a very high choker, like, so it's like this on the neck. So yeah, it's a very high rise choker, and काफ़ी अच्छा piece है guys. I would say it is priced a little high, especially for this one. Probably you'll find some other brand doing something similar when it comes to this. But when I want to talk about the second piece, the most asked about choker from my collection, जो है ये, it's unique, okay? There is oxidized and there is this gold color in it, so technically it just like goes well with, you know, your cool and warm toned looks as well. And इसका जो pendant है, it's so lovely. It has like this kundan detailing also. It's again a घुंघरू choker, but it is so pretty. मैंने तो कई बार इसे पहना है just with a white shirt, like a basic white shirt from Zara, West Side, कहीं से भी you have, just wear with denim and just wear this choker for a very interesting chic look, and it goes well with anything. I'm sure it goes well with this outfit as well. So yeah, it has been one of my most worn pieces lately, and अगर आपको इस brand से कुछ लेना है ना, then this has to be the choice. So ये थे all the jewelry pieces which I wanted to show in today's video. I have a lot more which I'll probably share in, you know, a favorites video, like a monthly favorites, या फिर I'll try and do a part 2 if you guys like this. And yes, once again, please don't come in the comments commenting कि affordable नहीं है. मैंने disclaimer पहले दे दिया था in the beginning of the video. So yeah, अगर आपने कोई brand already try किया है, then let me know your thoughts as well. Or let me know which brand you would want to give a try and which was your favorite piece from today's video. And that's it for today. If you did like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe kar lena to the channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.